In this video, I'll show you a nice affordable way to make silky milk at home without an espresso machine. And yes, you guessed right, it's the kind of milk that you can pour latte art with. These are the tools that we are gonna use: French press, mocha pot, pitcher, a cup, and a pot. A key part of this process is our coffee base. It should be close to an espresso extraction. This is gonna be your canvas, so it's important to pay attention to it. I'll show you how to do it using a mocha pot. If you haven't checked out my video on how to get an incredible mocha pot brew, this is the right time to do it. If this is not available to you, you can use anything from AeroPress to instant coffee. Now that the coffee is brewing, let's heat up the milk. I'll be using this pot at medium heat, stirring a couple times and simply making sure that the milk doesn't boil. You can also use a microwave for this step. Once we're done, we will pour the milk on the French press and enter the plunger. First, we're gonna insert 3 big blows of air. Then, making sure the plunger is completely covered by the milk, we'll do 12 sets of 10 small pumps. We'll pause every 3 sets and stir. If you know of a better technique to achieve results, please let me know in the comments. I love to learn. Once we're done with the pumps, we'll transfer the aerated milk to a milk pitcher. Inevitably, it'll have big bubbles of air, but we will fix that by swirling and tapping the milk until most of the bubbles have disappeared and the very small ones have gracefully integrated in the milk. It may not be perfect, but guess what? You can pour a lovely design with this milk. Now, serve the coffee as your base, and let's see if I can do it. Let's try again. Okay, now we got it. This is latte art, no espresso machine. If you want your base to be thicker and sweeter, you can also add a bit of chocolate syrup to make it denser. Another tip is to add a bit of cinnamon powder on top to create this nice canvas. The key to it is practice, practice, practice. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see similar content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you try it out.